Stung Kep Waterfall, the natural tourist area with beautiful scenery and natural mountain forest. Stung Kep Waterfall is located in the Cardamom Mountain National Park of Ta Tai Lu Commune, Mar Barng District, Koh Kong Province. This waterfall is 31 kilometers away from Tmar Barng town. Tourists have to travel 18 kilometers by car or motorbike from Tmar Barng town to Trapang Knar village, Ta Tai commune, and have to walk 13 kilometers from Trapang Knar village to Stung Kep Waterfall, and then have to cross the river up the hill. Tourists can see the scenic walkways, mostly along the Kep and other rivers. The water flowing along the Kep River creates a spectacle for nature-loving tourists. The waterfall that is hidden in this beautiful natural mountain forest is waiting for tourists to visit. It can be said that there is a lot of biodiversity here. It is like a sacred forest in the middle of the Cardamom Mountains. At Stung Kep Waterfall, tourists can enjoy the scenery and activities such as camping, listening to the sound of water, birds crying, accompanied by the cool weather, and more importantly, we can enjoy the beautiful sunrise and light reflected on the water.